Good morning, student. Today we are going to teach new chapter second, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Electrostatic is the branch of physics which deals with the study of charge at rest. Electric potential at any point in an electric field is equal to the ratio of work done in bringing a positive discharge from infinity to that point in an electric field. Electric potential is defined as the ratio of work done in bringing a positive discharge from infinity to that point in an electric field is called electric potential. It is denoted by V. It is a scalar quantity. Electric potential equal to work done upon discharge. Electric potential is B. Work done W. Discharge Q naught. SI unit of electric potential is volt. CGS system stat volt. Dimensional formula ml square t minus 2 upon charge AT. ml square t minus 3a inverse. If V equal to 1 volt, W equal to 1 joule, Q equal to 1 coulomb, then 1 volt equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Define 1 volt. If 1 joule of work is done per coulomb in bringing a test charge from infinity to that point, the potential at that point is said to be 1 volt. Electric potential difference PD, the potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is equal to the ratio of work done in moving a test charge from one point to another point in an electric field. Potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is equal to the ratio of work done in moving a test charge from one point to another point. Potential difference means 2 points from one point to another point in an electric field is called potential difference. Potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is equal to the ratio of work done in bringing a test charge from one point to another point. It is denoted by VB minus BA. Plus Q charge is situated on point O, point A and point B. Unit test charge Q naught is situated on point A. VA and VB. VA is potential difference of point A. VB is potential difference of point B. Difference between 2 points is dr. E is intensity of electric field. Unit test charge move from point A to B. Q naught is unit test charge move from point A to B. VB minus VA equal to W upon Q naught. SI unit is volt. CGS system stat volt. Dimensional formula ml square t minus 2 upon AT. Simplify ml square t minus 3a inverse. It is a scalar quantity. Relation between volt and stat volt. A relation between SI system and CGS system. 1 volt equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. 1 joule equal to 10 to power of 7 erg. 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to power of 9 stat coulomb. 1 volt equal to 1 joule equal to 10 to power of 7. 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to power of 9. Cancel. 1 volt equal to 1 upon 3 into 10 to power of 2 stat volt. Yeah, 1 volt equal to 1 upon 300 stat volt. 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to power of 9 stat coulomb. 1 ab coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to power of 10 stat coulomb. 1 volt equal to 1 upon 300 stat volt. Epsilon naught is की वैल्यू 8.854 into 10 to power of minus 12 coulomb square per Newton into meter square. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to power of 9 Newton into meter square per coulomb square. Question: The potential difference between 2 points in an 10 volt, how much work is needed to move a charge 200 microcoulomb from one point to another point? Given VB minus VA equal to 10 volt, unit test charge Q naught equal to 200 microcoulomb, Q naught equal to 200 into 10 to power of micro means 10 to power of minus 6. So Q naught equal to 2 into 10 to power of minus 4 coulomb, W equal to question mark, VB minus VA equal to W upon Q naught, 10 volt equal to W upon 2 into 10 to power of minus 4, cross multiplication, W equal to 2 into 10 to power of minus 3 joule. Thank you.